Here in Adobe Photoshop we have a PNG shape, and as we can see the edges of the shape are kind of rough and not looking smooth. So what we have to do for make these edges smoother, let's first make a white background for convenience. Make a new layer. Then select the paint bucket tool. Choose the color white, press OK. Then put the background layer below to the main layer. Select the pen tool. Choose shape. Start making a path over the edges of this shape. To make a curve by pen tool, click and drag. Press Alt and click on this point to end this particular curve and start a new curve from this point. Now we have got this shape. Fill this shape with black color. But as we can see, it doesn't work well and the edges are still not smoother as expected. So what we have to do, go to image size and set the image size 1000, height 1000 and width also 1000. Press OK. And now we can see the edges are looking perfectly smooth and fine. Now we can delete the unwanted layers